Welcome kids to another adventure with Whiskers. Today we find ourselves in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest. It spans over 9 different countries and it has an incredibly rich ecosystem. So let's go kids, let's go explore the rainforest and see what kind of animals we can find. Wow, look, a river dolphin! The Amazon river dolphin, also known as the boto, buffalo, or pink river dolphin, is a species of toothed whale endemic to South America. A river dolphin can grow up to 9 feet long, weighing up to 400 pounds, and live to 30 years old. These dolphins are carnivores. Their diet usually consists of crustaceans, fish, and crabs. These dolphins can also turn their necks 180 degrees. So, let's move on. Let's see what else there is out there. This place is beautiful, but at the same time, it creeps me out. Wow, what is that? It's a snake! It's a big snake! The green anaconda, also known as the giant anaconda, is a boa species found in South America and the Caribbean islands. It is the largest and heaviest and second longest snake in the world. Anacondas are ambush predators. They are also picky eaters. And they won't say no to snacking on other reptiles as well. The largest anaconda was reportedly 33 feet long, 3 feet across at its widest part, and weighed about 880 pounds. This snake was discovered at a construction site in Brazil. Unfortunately, it either died in a controlled explosion after which they found the snake, or by construction workers after it emerged. Wow, a jaguar! The jaguar is a large cat species and the only living member of the genus Panthera native to Americas. With a body length of up to 1.85 meters and a weight of up to 158 kilograms, it is the biggest cat species in the Americas and the 3rd largest in the world. Jaguars eat a variety of prey that includes more than 85 species, like capybaras, deer, opossums, rabbits, caimans, turtles, and livestock. What funny-looking creature is that? Wow, it's a sloth! Sloths are a newer tropical group of zoonothran mammals, constituting the suborder of Folifera, including the extant arboreal tree sloths and extinct terrestrial ground sloths. Noted for their slowness of movement, tree sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down in the trees of the tropical rainforests of South America and Central America. Sloths are considered to be the most closely related to anteaters, together making up the zoonothran order Pilosa. Originally named after one of the 7 deadly sins, it's no surprise that the sloth has been labeled as the world's laziest animals for decades. In fact, when sloths were first described in the scientific literature in 1749, they were labeled as the lowest form of existence. Since then, we have learned that the sloths are far from being simple, lazy creatures that just sleep all day. They are complex, mysterious animals. Did you know without sloths, there would be no avocados? The extinct giant ground sloths were some of the only mammals that had digestive systems large enough to process the huge avocado seeds whole. Sloths are blind in bright daylight. They have a very rare condition called rod monochromacy, which means that they completely lack cone cells in their eyes. It takes sloths about 30 days to digest one leaf. They can starve to death on a full stomach, and also sloths can fall 100 feet without injury. I think let's sail ashore, and then we start a campfire and spend the night in the jungle. I'm looking for a good spot to set up camp, but also a good area to watch out for predators. This looks like a perfect place to set up camp. Before I go to bed, let's take a little night walk. This is fun! Hey, look, frog! Well, friends, that was fun, exploring the forest at night. There's a few creatures on my list that we saw. The ocelot, a medium-sized spotted wildcat. Another wildcat, a jangorandi, a megabat, and a poison dart frog. We had quite a night, friends, full of exploring and adventure. So, let me eat my marshmallow and get to bed, before maybe I get eaten. Good morning, friends! I had a really good sleep last night, so I'm ready for another day, another adventure. Let's go and find the animals. Woohoo! The blue morpho butterfly. They are not really blue, but iridescent. They love the light and are often seen in swarms above the street tops, enjoying the sun. These butterflies sit fluids from decomposing animals. Their total life cycle lasts 455 days. Wow, look, macaws! They are so beautiful. Macaws are large, colorful, and intelligent parrots that live in the rainforest of Central and South America. They have strong and curved beaks for crushing nuts and seeds, and agile toes for grasping things. They are social and vocal birds that mate for life and live in flocks. Some species can mimic human speech. Macaws are threatened by the illegal pet trade. There are around 376 species of parrots throughout the world, and macaws are the biggest of all of them. Wow! A giant anteater! Giant anteaters are the largest of the 4 anteater species, reaching a length of 6 to 8 feet. They are native to Central and South America. They feed on tiny termites and ants using their 2-foot-long tongue, which can flick in and out up to 150 times per minute. They only feed at a nest or a mound for 2 minutes at a time. Giant anteaters have no teeth. Instead, they have hard plates in their mouths that crush up ants and termites as they are rushed up their snouts with their tongues. This creates a sort of insect paste that they swallow. Can you guess what animal this is? You're right! A bald ukari monkey. The bald ukari monkey is an Amazonian primate with peculiar features. It has a bright red bald face, a short tail, and a ruddy fur. This monkey is highly specialized and is found mainly in palm tree habitats. These monkeys live in troops of about 15 individuals and are active during the day, feeding mainly on fruits. Acrobatic and athletic, they launch themselves from high branches, bouncing on small tree limbs to leap from one tree to another, with arms outstretched. They belong to the family Cebidae and are one of the few New World monkeys without a prehensile tail. Look, a capybara, the biggest rodent in the world. The semi-aquatic capybara spends most of its time grazing or swimming in the nearest body of water. Capybaras just loves the water and are strong swimmers. They are highly sociable creatures. And the main threat to capybaras are jaguars. I'm trying to find a caiman, but I'm struggling this whole trip just to see one. I wonder where are they? Don't worry, friends. I'm still alive. That was a caiman. Caimans is one of the two members belonging to the Alligatoridae family. What? It shares this family with alligators, frequently found in Mexico and parts of South America. Caimans navigate through marshes, swamps, rivers, and lakes. Their tough skin and powerful jaws protect them from majority of other animals that share these habitats. Well, that's all for now, friends. I hope you enjoyed this adventure in the rainforest. Until next time, bye!